Okay, here we go. Deck 6 Sky Princess. Got the bottom level of the theater. You also had the Churchill Cigar Lounge over there. This is the forward part of Deck 6. We're going to do a quick walkthrough. Okay, here we go. Let's have not even looked at our photos. So this is something that's new here. Is the photography lounge has everything here. Oh no. Anyway, you have all the photography here, stuff going on in the piazza. This is Deck 6. And I'm gonna see if I can figure this out and see if Yudi's over here working and go from there.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Yep. Still going on over there. Let me figure out photography because I definitely want to see if I can get this picture with Yudi. CruiseByMandy signing off.